Oh, hey guys, it's Gazzi. Have you come to learn the letter C with me? Awesome. Okay, so first of all, to make the letter C, we've got to do it with our bodies. So let's go like this. Let's put the one arm all the way over our head and curve it round, and then the bottom arm can come down here and up. And look, a big C. Can you see the C? Yeah, good job. Okay, what's your favorite animal? My favorite animal begins with the letter C. Can you guess what it is? Well, it's got whiskers and pointy ears, and it says, meow. Yeah, that's it. It's a cat. So, let's go. C, C, C. Then cat. So, k, k. So let's go k, k, k. So like I said, a cat has whiskers. So let's go cat, cat, meow, meow, meow. Okay, let's repeat it. Ready? Repeat after me. C, C, C. K, k, k. Cat, cat. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, great job guys. Let's do it one last time. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. C, C, C. Cat, cat. Meow, meow, meow. Awesome job guys. Okay, I love learning ABCs with you. So make sure you come back and look for my next video. Alright, when we'll be doing the letter D. Alright, bye.